Thank you, Greg. BlueRush reduces funnel abandonment. We work with banks to understand where their customers abandon the buying journey. Then we design digital experiences to help move those customers through the funnel more quickly. One of those digital experiences that we use is an interactive personalized video platform called IndiVideo that I'm going to show you today. We built one of these IndiVideos for Manulife Bank, the parent company of John Hancock, to explain a particularly complex mortgage product that they were launching to market. The resulting reduction in funnel abandonment created a whopping 44% increase in year-over-year sales. Just 3 weeks ago, we launched an IndiVideo to explain a mortgage affordability calculator for a top 50 global bank. For my demo today, I'm a friendly mortgage consultant. I've got a new prospect. Can you believe it? Marge Simpson is getting a divorce. She's asked me to help her understand what her mortgage payment is going to be and how to pay off her mortgage more quickly. So I'm sitting in the coffee shop after my meeting with her, and I'm going to pull up my DigitalReach platform. This is my content engagement platform that allows me, a mortgage consultant, to send content that my marketing department has approved directly to the customer's inbox. So I'm going to log in, and I'm going to immediately start a delivery to send this information to Marge. First, I'm going to add a contact. I have Marge in my contact list. This list can be synced with your CRM or uploaded one by one, and I'm going to continue delivery. My delivery needs some content. For that, I'm going to go to the library. Now, the content library in DigitalReach is where my marketing department uploads all the content that they believe will help me do my job best, meaning sell the most mortgages. There's all kinds of content in this list, and I can search for it, I can sort it, I can filter it in any way that the bank decides I should be able to do so. But I know what I want. I want the mortgage payment expert, so I'm going to add that. And I want a Forbes housing outlook for 2018, because I believe that Marge is interested in this sort of thing. And I continue delivery. I'm going to scroll down and select my email template that my bank has designed for me. It's here. I can further customize if I want to. I've got to check that I've got the right documents in my email to send, and of course my signature with a picture, and yes, I do wear a bow tie, is right there, and I send delivery. That's it. As a mortgage consultant, that's all I need to do to follow up from a really important meeting to help my customer understand her mortgage payment and how to pay it off more quickly, because that is what is going to move her through the funnel most quickly. So I want to show you what Marge's experience looks like. So I'm going to jump to my email. This email just arrived. I'm going to click into the mortgage payment expert, and it's going to launch the interactive personalized video platform. Now, it's going to collect a couple questions, because Marge didn't give me all the data to calculate her payment in the meeting. So we're going to walk through this. I start. What is your mortgage amount? Well, her settlement, mortgage or divorce settlement was $20,000, and she's found a $100,000 house that she wants to buy. My mortgage is $80,000. Choose a term. I told her the 5-in-1 ARM is the best one in this market and rate environment. And now there's a couple questions. Now pay particular attention to these questions, because this is what allows us to personalize the video. Does she want to pay it off more quickly? Yes. And does she get paid at regular intervals? No. If I answered yes, you'd see a very different video. $362, that's her mortgage payment. Nothing too special here, it's a mortgage payment calculator, and every lender in the room today has one of these on their website. I think ours is a little bit more elegant than most, but it's still just a mortgage payment calculator. What's more interesting is the personalized video. So I'm going to play this. It's a 1-minute long video. I'm going to run right through it. I'm going to come back and talk about it afterwards. But pay particular attention to the personalization of the numbers at the beginning of the video and the advice that she's getting at the second half of the video.
Of this amount with a 5-1 ARM loan. And the current interest rate seen here, you will pay this amount per month. This is based on an amortization period of 30 years. Since you told us your goal is to pay off your mortgage as quickly as possible, let's look at how you can achieve that. When your income does not come in regular intervals, a good strategy could be to choose the monthly payment option and, if possible, apply an additional lump sum when you're able to. You are entitled to contribute up to 10% of your mortgage principal amount once a year. In your case, if you choose monthly payments and contribute an additional lump sum of $2,500 each year, you will reduce the amortization period by 15 years and save this amount in interest. By using lump sum payments to reduce your principal amount faster, you get big savings.
Did you notice the personalization of the numbers at the beginning of that video? And the fact that I said she doesn't get regular payments, that means she had a different message. True personalization in the video. And the last screen here, I want to point this out. This is where we put the CTAs. We embed CTAs right in this video so that that causes people to move through the funnel faster. So what I've shown you today is a way for a mortgage consultant to send personalized content directly to the customer's inbox to move them through the funnel faster to reduce funnel abandonment. With this personalization, now Marge better understands her mortgage options, and she can make a decision more easily. We know that personalization increases the video viewing time by 44% and click-through rates by 75%. Directly impacting funnel abandonment. So with these stats, how can a mortgage lender afford to not include personalized video in their customer communications? I'll lay out this last challenge. If I can show you how to reduce your funnel abandonment by just 10%, wouldn't you jump at that chance? Come to our booth after this session, take a look at some of the other videos we have covering mortgages, insurance, credit card, and wealth management. Thank you.